Maayong adlaw Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, especially sa Cagayan de Oro City. I'm your host, Epos, and welcome sa atong programa, Good Morning, CDO! Daghan kayong salamat sa atong mga padayon nga suporta sa atong Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. Kabalo ba mo nga 80,000 views na ang Pinoy Rob YouTube channel? Woo! Woo! Congratulations Pinoy Rob, and daghan kayong salamat guys sa inyong padayon nga pagsuporta sa atong YouTube channel. Thank you so much subscribers, followers, ang atong mga watchers dyan. Daghan kayong salamat no sa mga fans sa Pinoy Rob. Thank you so much. Padayon lang yun guys. Tuloy-tuloy na natin to. To the next level na natin to. Go, go, go! Ayan, so thank you so much once again guys. Kamu nga bago pa nga nakatune in ani nga YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button para ma-notify mo sa itong bago nga mga videos nga i-upload diri sa atong channel. O sa atong Facebook page, please don't forget to follow, like, and share our links and our videos guys. Thank you so much once again. And today, we will visit no sa isa ka event nga annually ilang ginabuhat diri sa Cagayan de Oro City or even Visayas, Mindanao no nga organization. And I believe nga inyo po ni siya ma-consider no nga kanang business with your own no, and it's nice nga kanang makatrabaho ka with lots of people nga ang mindset is naa sa positive, nasa mga dinagko nga mga butang. And usa pa ana, I just discovered nga kini nga job is that kanang they're not just earning but they're also helping Filipinos all across the region, all across the Philippines and international. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome China Gold Area Kickoff 2024. We have here the area manager of China Gold and soon to be the district, no? First in Mindanao. Ladies and gentlemen, Ma'am Janet Ramos. Ma'am, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
So ma'am, what do we have here?
This is our annual kick-off for China Gold area. And our attendees are all active agents of China Gold area. We have around 700 registrants today expecting.
What's the purpose na aning concept or idea nga ginabuhat nato annually?
Yeah, of course, we want to present to you our program for the whole year, no? So everybody will be aligned. And because we have a very big goal of becoming the first district in Mindanao, that's why we want to bring everybody in that same alignment and program. That's why we want to present everything and to ignite also what's in store for everyone this year, the plans and programs of the area.
Wow.
Yes.
Na-notice na ko mong dagan kita mga booths. Unsa yung mga booths atong diri sa ano?
Oh, yeah, we have different departments. So we have the MDRT booth, the Speed Up, Power Up, the trainings, the Rookie booth, and the activation booth and the leadership booth. Everything is in place already. So we can all our guests can visit every booth and play, and they get to learn what's the program being prepared for them this 2024.
Yeah. So what's your message sa atong mga financial consultants nga diri karon no?
Of course, we want everybody to enjoy in this event no, because we really prepared hard for this, and more so be active, be significant, be present, and have an impact to the lives of your client and to the family.
Woo! There you have it guys, our area manager!
Yeah,
Ma'am Janet Ramos! Thank you so much, ma'am! Hello everyone! We're inviting you to join the life insurance industry, specifically ProLife UK. You want to know why? Because of this! This is our annual kick-off, and we bring everyone into Cagayan de Oro City for updates and announcements, also a lot of joy and a lot of engagement. So please, join ProLife UK! Woo!
I'm Ivan Jan Lisondra.
Pila nakaka-years din sa crew?
Mag 2 years pa.
2 years. Is this your first time naka-join sa kick-off or?
Kuha siya, second time, pero so far, may mo ang ako nakita na pinakabibo. Kaya last year, mas nako pa siya kay event and excited po to sa umaabot pa kay mas magkadagan po ta dili sa Pro Life UK.
Ayan. So how glad you are no nga naka-join ka aning industry?
Lingaw gid kayo kay dili lang ako ang may opportunity to have a better future, but pwede na ko siya ma-share sa ibang tao. Nadiri, makauban na to, no? So, imagine mo nga, it's a good opportunity nga, pwede ka ma-earn, makatama ka sa mga client, at the same time, pwede po naman i-share sa ibang tao.
Ayan, thank you so much, bro.
Okay.
Grabe ka-enjoy guys! Unta na ako dire sa dagan kay kong mga prizes. That is why inani ka na ko kong bag. Kulay fun. Hindi na napaka-isa-isa sa inyo ha. That is why nagkalagit kay inani nga bag. Kaya dagan kay kong makuha nga prize.
So, check ka na lang, mahulog-urot ka ng games.
Yes, surapan mali pagani ko na. Maayo kong kape. Kape is life. So, guys, join mo next time. Sana gid kayo ang kick-off. Ayaw kininyo ibaliwala ang kick-off.
Thank you so much.
Bye! Ganahan during the industry, Pro Life really number one good is the Thai love and also the China Gold family culture, which is a family of faith of fun. Let's enjoy the kickoff of China Gold area. Thank you. Joanny ako na! Ay, bahala! Nagsayo din mo para katanong prizes! 1, 2, 3, 4! Tagat na po ako! T-shirt, may wallet, ay mga palahusog, na kanipay, my friendship na rin yun! Sinyan, doon, kaya sa Mindanao! Ang donor team, kalinaw kami na ni! Go, let's go! So far, grabe yun kay gabi mo. Ang grabe ka. Daghan fighters. Enjoy kayo sa guys. So, come here and visit Atrium. Halina mo guys. Enjoy!
Wow, congratulations! Yusman Malueta. Mag 4 years na po sa harong January 31. So far, so good naman. Then sa income, kumpay na ko sa nagtrabaho ko before. Ngayon, natin kayo siya. So, thank you po sa opportunity na ako sa ako na.
Kung na kay piso, isot di mo pag masyot na kay price. Kung wala, di ka talo, may candy ka. Candy ka na kay candy.
Ay po.
Sige lang, may candy ka dalawa.
Wait.
Let's kayo ba? Nalingaw ko. Actually, hindi na ko yung first time, pero everything night ako, may sense ko mo. So, what is that? Hindi mo kayo. Thank you so guys. Actually, happy na mo. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. We have another a financial consultant here sa atong kick-off. And ladies and gentlemen, JP.
Hi, good morning everyone.
How's the feeling nung naimong mag-financial consultant dito sa Tuparay?
Ay, grabe. Nausabit na lang. So,
wagi ko nag-expect na grabe bitaw makuha yung achievements. Kanang wagi ko nag-expect bitaw na grabe ang transition from OFW bitaw na ano bitaw ko makuha na achievement. Sa grabe, overwhelming kayo.
Say ka ng kalahian o sa pagiging OFW sa una and dili ka sa pagiging financial advisor.
Being of OFW, number one, ilinin mo awit mo oras. Ikadua, busy kay ka. Naka-schedule, 8 hours, and then you have your own boss. Pero diri sa pro-life, being a financial advisor, awit yun mo oras. Anytime gusto ni mo mag-work, naaragit sa imo.
So pila na ka months or years sa Pro Life UK?
5 months pa rin ko sa pro-life. So,
5 months?
Yeah, 5 months pa guys.
And kung nakita ninyo guys, yung cash din siya, this is actually dati siyang achievement no, sa pagiging financial consultant no, makuha ni mo ni siya.
Ay, muna yung they call na rookie high flyer. So, thankful kay ko sa mga client na nagsalig sa ako. So, muna yung nakamit nato ng rookie high flyer. For the past 5 months, na-target nato ang 780 APE. So, thank you so much sa mga trusted na ako ng client.
So, you will be going up there sa stage para
Yeah,
sa awarding.
So, grabe.
Alright, so for 5 months. So, thank you so much, JP. No? So, what's your
Thank you,
message sa
sir.
itong mga aspiring financial advisors po?
Para sa mga aspiring financial advisor, salig lang yun. Kayod. Baka maabot na gyapon ninyo tanan. Kung gusto pa mag-financial advisor, sulod na mo, diligin mo magpahay.
Ayan. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Top 5, Elena Kabuhayan. Top 4,
Hi, I am Eugene Gacos, staff of China Gold 4.
Pila na ka-years as staff sa Pro Life UK?
5 na ako katuig na nag-work diri sa kuan sa Pro Life UK. Staff.
Kasi advantage nyo as staff to sa Pro Life UK?
Advantage ana kay kuan ma-broaden imong kuan knowledge regarding in insurance as well as ma-appreciate nimo kung unsa gyud ang kuan purpose sa insurance. And then aside from that, I get to know a lot of agents, I get to know them, ka-learn ko sa ilaha pod. Malipay ko nga makahelp ko sa ilaha labi na sila mga transactions.
So how about sa imong kanang finances no? Sabay mo makuha sila?
Halos mga agent mo, kuan ka ng mga businessman sila. So somehow ilang mga kuan mga na-learn o ilang mga tips regarding sa kanang pag-manage sa finances. So medyo na-apply sad nako sa akong kuan sa akong life karon nga. For example, kanang kung sa itong mga luho na ko sa una, ako ng giles o mga luho, and then I am more on kanang mag-save. And then as well as, tungod po sa ilaha po, meron po na mag-save sa kong galing through insurance.
Thank you so much, sir. Eugene. How's your feeling today, sir?
Good, very good. Excellent.
Okay.
Well, the gay activities karon notice like booth, no, promotion of our initiatives this year, and of course mga trips and so many things. Awarding, dagan siya.
Ang mga financial consultants at least outside Cagayan pa din siya ng mga
Actually, all across this mean, no, we have people from Iligan, Ozamis, even Oroqueta. Also going to Bukidnon and Jensan, and we also have agents from Cebu. So, dako kayo siyang gathering.
So what's your message sa itong mga aspiring financial consultant?
So I think this is a career na a must try. Maybe if you're looking for a opportunity na it's gonna give you a good income and at the same time owning your time, I think being a financial advisor is a must try na career.
There you have it, guys. Our branch manager of Channel 4, Mr. Abner Acopio. Thank you so much, sir. Bye.
I'm good. Well, guys, this is actually a sales kick-off of this organization, and we're very excited because we are really having this opportunity, a platform to really tell the world that this organization is underprivileged and we are into the life insurance industry. But what we have to offer for the benefit of the community is really of importance. Of course, I am always very grateful, of the people in the organization, because this is a collective effort, collaboration of so many people and leaders. So I'm just very happy as I'm looking around, looking at everybody doing something. It's just really that kind of fulfillment to see people grow, see people enjoy a career that is really worth doing. Well, I would say that being here in the financial industry alone is already something that everybody put in context that we can enjoy it. Hindi siya trabaho lang, but rather it is something with may value yung ginagawa natin. It's not about just learning or selling, but rather it's also growing. Like myself, I am not exposed to this before, but right now I am enjoying my group little by little, and I'm hoping to continue to grow as well as this financial advice.
Thank you so much. There you have it. Our area manager, Ronald Ramos. Sir, thank you so there you have it, no? China Gold area, kick-off 2024. Mga amazing kay nga mga tao and dili basta-basta nga mga tao kay they don't just treat their mga co-workers or co-businessman nga mga employee but family, no, friends, no, close kayo because sa isa ka interview nako behind the scene nila guys is that ang ilang mentality is that dili siya crab mentality nga kanang paunahay. Ang ilang mentality ani guys is that they're pulling you up as they are going up. So meaning they're helping each other. It's a teamwork, no? Aning business. Gabi, power kayo nga mga katawhan no sa China Gold area sa Visayas and Mindanao. Congratulations, no? China Gold area. Woo! Looking forward sa karon nga tuig, no, kalihukan sa China Gold area. And katong mga bago pa nga naka-tune in ani nga YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button para ma-notify mo sa bago nga mga videos nga atong i-upload diri sa Pinoy Rob YouTube channel. Daghang salamat, no, once again. And also sa atong Facebook page, don't forget to follow, like, and share. At tangi sa sunod nato nga interview diri sa Good Morning CDO, mo kaniyang mosunod nga video guys. So I'm your host Epus. Good morning CDO.
Hey guys, coming in White Island! Green kaya ang dagat. Hey! Green kaya ang dagat. What?
Okay, try na to ang gay ko nila nga tuyong. As you can see guys, starting here, no, na area. Gamay rin nga dagan, makabot ako sa edge. Gamay rin siya. Ang White Island. I love coming in